Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Make a great choice today with the 2016 Infiniti Qx60. The Infiniti Qx60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the Qx60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.